Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and today I would like to show you my new acquisition, a new motorcycle I got. It's not a brand new, it's new to me, so I think you're going to like it. And here she is, 1999 Yamaha YZF750R. Such a beautiful motorcycle. There she is. In mint condition. It's almost like just got out of the factory. only two things here. The fuel tank has been pushed, and a little crack right here on the fairing. Nothing to worry about. Other than that, it's a dream come true. I just love this motorcycle. As you're going to see on my channel, I love super bikes from the 90s, 1990s, and that's what I'm going to do on this channel. I'm going to show you all my bikes I currently have from the 90s, and I have quite a bit of collection. Yeah, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. The previous owner took an excellent care of it. And by the way, it's imported from Germany to Bulgaria. And she's a lovely, lovely bike. I just love it. I don't know what to say, guys. Tell me what you think. I just did a test ride right in front of the street, in front of my house, and because it's not registered yet, no license plate yet, so I cannot ride it on the street legally. But yeah, oh man, she's a beauty. It's got 50, almost 60,000 kilometers on the clock, which is not a big deal. Excellent condition, excellent. Yeah. A new windscreen, MRA, new windscreen. What to say about the bike? It rides beautifully. It doesn't feel heavy. I think it's 200 kilograms, the weight of the motorcycle. And original blinkers, everything is OEM except the brake lines. It's got steel brake lines, front and back. The exhaust is the original Yamaha OEM. Pretty much everything is OEM except the windscreen, and that's it. I love it. She's gorgeous. Only here the paint is a bit fading. I guess it's the tail has been hanging out somewhere where the motorcycle was parked. I'm not sure, but just the paint is a bit fading, yeah. But nothing to worry about. Oh man, I can't wait to ride it on the street. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Yeah. Here's the choke. She's still warm. think I choked it. I flooded the engine. Anyways. This is one hell of a bike. Yeah, one hell of a bike. Look at the frame and everything. It's like excellent quality, top quality, top quality. The tires are okay, but I think they're old DOT. It's like 2014 or something. I don't know why. I'm gonna get a set of new tires next day, so I'll be putting the new tires. Yeah, well, tell me what you think, guys. If any of you owns one of these beauties, I would love to hear from you. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.